Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bibra and I am your favorite wig plug. On this channel, I share hair tips, wig tips, DIYs and lots of tutorials. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on post notification so you always get updated when I post a new video. Alright, in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do split knots. When it comes to ventilating, there are two types of knots I use. I either use a split knot or I use rolling knots. It can either be double knotted or it can be single knotted, but I prefer to use a double knot because it is more durable. So for this video, I'll be showing you guys how I do split knots. This split knot was double knotted, so I want you guys to watch this video till the end. I'll see you at the end of this video. Alright. I had to zoom this so you guys can see what I'm doing. So I took my ventilating needle through the hole in the net. On the other hand, you can see strands of hair held in a loop. I'll just take a few strands of hair and pass that back through the hole. Notice that while I pass the strands of hair through the net, the hairs are at the tip of the needle. But when I pass it through the net, I move them to the base. Guys, please pay attention to this part. As you can see on the other hand, I'm holding firmly the strands of hair. If you watch closely, there are two sides. Normally for rolling knots, I would just grab the two sides and twist that into the loop. But for split knots, I would take each strand separately. Okay, so just watch how I do it. So I'll take and twist this side into the loop. How you twist is totally up to you. For me, I twisted one side to the right and one side to the left. So after twisting that part, I'll go back in and twist the other part into the loop and I'll drag that out. Yay guys, we've just created a split knot. Alright, so let's take that again. So I pass my ventilating needle into a hole in the net. I place a few strands of hair and pass that back through the net. I go back, grab one side, twist into the loop. I go back, grab the other side and twist back into the loop and drag that out. Easy, right? Let's do that again. Like I said earlier, how you take and twist back into the loop is up to you. You may twist both sides to the right or you may twist both sides to the left. But for me, I twisted one side to the right and one side to the left. Okay. Guys, the only downside to doing split knots is that it made my thumb and index finger hurt much more than when I do the rolling knot. I think it is due to the pressure on them from the tight grip on the strands of hair. Meanwhile, some people use their second index finger, that is the finger labeled 2. They use it to support the strands of hair or to separate the two strands from each other. This in turn helps reduce the pressure on the thumb and index finger. But I don't do this because it slows me down when I'm ventilating and I didn't want anything to obstruct your view. So guys, let's go over it once more. I had to change the position of the camera to show you from another angle. Alright, I passed my needle through a hole in the lace net. I place a few strands of hair in it. Please, when you pass your needle through the net, hold it in that position. Then move your other hand to the needle to pick the strands of hair. So you will not have a hard time trying to bring out the needle from the hole, or the needle doesn't get stuck to the net. In most cases, when the needle gets stuck in the net and you try to bring it out, the net rips. Alright guys, let's continue. After picking the strands you need, pass the needle back through the net and hold. Now you will see two separate strands. Then go back and pick one of it and twist into the loop you have already created. Hold again, then go back and pick the other strand and twist back into the loop. Now you drag it out and you can let go. Whew, that wasn't hard, was it? Okay guys, just watch for a few more minutes and I'll see you at the end. Guys, this is the result of what I've been doing. It's a 5 by 5 closure. I also sealed the knots after ventilating. So if you'd like to see both videos, I'm going to leave both links in the description. So please go ahead and watch those videos. If this video was helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. Also leave all questions and comments you have in the comment section and I will respond to them all. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification so you always get notified whenever I upload new content. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.